Hello Monster Jam fans and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today I'm going to do a single preview of the Mixon Assortment for 2020 with Bakugan Dragonoid. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is yet another preview video. This will be a little shorter than usual. I'm going to do only one truck in this video because I've only received a portion of the Mix 9 trucks from Spin Master. Some were loose and some were in the box. In this case, Bakugan Dragonoid was brand new in the box. Some of the other ones, they weren't as in good condition, but I will eventually receive the full assortment. But this just hit stores, so I wanted to review it before there's a lot more reviews out there, I guess. Or preview it, I should say. I will do a full review again soon, but it's not going to happen just yet. It'll happen past January 1st. So here's the Bakugan Dragonoid from Mix 9. And in case you were wondering, and if you didn't see Monster Jam General's video, who received Mix 9 first, this is the assortment for Mix 9. You can see it has Legacy Trucks Gravedigger, Overcast Zombie, Great Clips Mohawk Warrior with the corrected Mohawk, Black Max D Encore World Finals 19 Edition, a Danger Divas Monster Mutt with pink rims, Octonator Nitro Neons, and Jurassic Attack Nitro Neons. I wanted to note that the Monster Mutt Dalmatian does not actually feature BKT printing, and its ears are not down. That was a couple things that people were asking me. I do have that one on hand. I just feel like it's not as important to review. I'll wait till the actual full review. But I want to mention this one because I feel like it's really important. Here's Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, just a quick look at it. It is a corrected Mohawk. It looks amazing. It really has every detail of the real Mohawk, which includes this smooth portion that they actually did define on the truck. And the sizing is accurate. And you can see even right here, this little lip where it kind of sticks up. That's like the real truck where it doesn't actually fit flush on the truck flat. So they did get that little detail as well. Overall, it's an amazing looking truck. I mean, it really is truly a great truck. So we'll come back to that in Mix 9's official review. Today is all about the Bakugan Dragonoid, which we have seen in Mix 5 in 2019 with the classic red and orange style. This is the exact same style that we'll be running in 2020 to my knowledge. This is just a custom color that they used from the actual Bakugan toy line. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of the actual Dragonoid toy. It starts with an A. I'll put it on screen. But it is based off of they have a bunch of different Bakugan colors for Dragonoid, and this is one of them, so they're making it the truck form. We also have seen from 2020's Fire and Ice Singles Assortment, the final assortment, the Bakugan Dragonoid Ice Edition with these transparent or semi-transparent frosty wings in blue color. And then, of course, the employee exclusive, Toy Fair exclusive 2020 truck, which was Bakugan Dragonoid with the matching tires and green chassis, green windshield. So now we have the fourth known Bakugan Dragonoid truck. It is the gold and silver edition, and I'm going to unbox it. In 1 second, I just want to show you guys one more thing. You can see it says Series 9, which they will be putting on every single box and every single mix now. It'll show you guys exactly what mix is out there. And in Mix 10, they actually start putting the logo of the series that's in here on the nameplate. So, Bakugan Dragonoid unboxing for 2020 Mix 9 preview right now. And here it is, the first 2020 unboxing on my channel for the single assortments. We have a new insert here, or I guess not really new, but it says something new. Poster and wristband included. And yes, the wristbands are replacing the figures. There's a bunch of different opinions on this. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, I'm not going to personally wear them, but I know little kids like these kinds of things. So this is just a new thing that they're doing. They're going to test it out this year with wristbands, but it will change every year. Accessories will change. Figures were last year. This year we will have these rubber wristbands. You can see it is gold for the truck, and it has monsterjam.com on one side and a Monster Jam logo on the other. As far as how it fits, it's pretty tight on my hand to get it past, but it will fit on younger audiences. But I do think it'll probably work out for younger kids. So anyway, here is the poster. Let me just unravel it real quick for you guys. It is pretty cool to see all the stuff on here. So here's the poster for Mix 9. I have to kind of flatten it out, but you can see we have the Legacy Trucks Gravedigger, which all Legacy trucks will feature BKT printing now. Bakugan Dragonoid Gold. I'm trying to get there. There we go. And we have Crazy Creatures, the Arena Favorites Mohawk Warrior, World Finals Max D, which looks insane, the Monster Mutt Dalmatian Danger Divas, Overcast Zombie, Jurassic Attack Nitro Neons, and Octanator from the Nitro Neons as well. Octanator, I want to mention, does feature a clear chassis. We'll come back to that again in Mix 9's review. My favorite of the case has to be the World Finals 19 Max D, though. It truly is a beautiful piece. I'll show you guys that again in the review. And the back of the poster has the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. So, with that said, we'll go back to the review of the actual truck. And here it is. So this is the gold Bakugan Dragonoid, and silver, I should say, Bakugan Dragonoid. And it has actually reflective, kind of like aluminum foil looking wings. So that's pretty cool. And then the same thing goes for the horn. It is reflective. The arms still do function as usual. The horn also functions. And overall, I think it's a really cool paint scheme. And again, it's not pure gold, but it does match the real toy that it's based on. So it's like a reflective yellow gold. So if they went pure gold, it wouldn't have been as accurate to the actual toy. So that's pretty cool that they kept it a similar gold color. So it's kind of like a yellow, gold, silver Bakugan Dragonoid. And it has the same green eye. It has a gray chassis as well. And those kind of gold-yellow rims, I do like how reflective that silver is. So with that said, that was the quick little preview. It's a little longer because I had to do the poster and stuff, but that's the quick preview of Mix 9 Bakugan Dragonoid Gold and Silver Edition. I'm sorry I don't know how to pronounce the name of the actual Bakugan variant. Let me know what you guys think about the Mix 9 preview in the comments below. I will get them as soon as I can for full review. But until next time, this is Rhino Monster OCD, signing out.